Today I'm going to show you how to remove the screen on a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Stay tuned. Put your hand at the bottom of the console. Pull hard, but not hard enough that you're going to break it. It's going to be in a combination of creating a bit of a crack here to start it off, you see on the side, and then using your pry tool to slowly start prying it out all around to release the clips. Here we see the console coming out a little bit further. You see some of the clips here in orange. Hardest part's actually the top part. What I used was this vinyl pry bar looking tool. This way you do the least amount of damage on your console here, and you can see those hooks at the top. So I'm just going to use force to slowly start, pulling this out. Keep working the tool around the edge there. I've popped the console off. You're going to see one cable connecting to it. And it's kind of like an internet cable where it's got this little button that you just press to release it. And honestly, shame on Chrysler for not having done a recall on these screens. So many people have had issues with them. What is happening is actually the glue that they use on the screen is melting, and that's what causes the glitch. So you can see the glue here running down the side of my screen, behind the console, dripping down into the car. Terrible. Take out these screws. Here's the back of the screen. You see a series of wires connected to it. They're all color coded. To release them, you're going to press the little button at the top of the wire. The other wires are going to have a similar little tab that you just press in, and they'll be released as well. I use needle nose pliers to help release the clips because they're pretty tight. Use your vinyl tool to detach the clips from all around the unit. Loosen but don't take out the screws. They help keep everything in place. I put some gloves on because my screen's got some glue leaking out of it, but it's coming apart bit by bit. So I've opened it up. You see two ribbons, black and brown. On the new unit, you can notice that it comes with the black ribbon. So we can detach the black ribbon from the motherboard. But the old unit, it has a brown ribbon, which the new unit does not come with. So you're going to have to reuse that brown ribbon and just attach it to the new screen. To release it, I just did it here already, but there's a little gate here that you just need to flip it up with your nail and it'll release it. When you remove the old screen, you'll notice that on the black frame, there's a little black wire. Just leave it there. So to connect the ribbon, you line up the black ribbon into the back of the slot here with the little black lock, the tab thing flipped up. You're going to see on the left and right two little knobs. Make sure they're, from the ribbon, make sure they're in place. And then you push the black thing down to lock it in place. And then you're going to do that with the other ribbon as well. Put everything back together. Put the screws back in place. All right, before we screw everything back in, I've just temporarily hooked everything up. We're just going to test out the screen to see if it works. Got the radio, sound, map. Looks good. There we go. Just like new, no bubbles.